Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Demetrio here, as always. But I'm not with my friends like Aldrich or Vedic. I'm alone. And also, this is a 14 subscriber special video. It's called How to Build the Mini Technic Body. And as always, I promise you to make the big one. The big one is for 25 subscribers. If I got 25 subscribers, I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to make a big Technic body. But since I still have 14, that means I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to build this one, a small one. I hope you liked it and subscribe. So I'm gonna start with all the parts that you need. So guys, I'm back. Here's the pieces that you're going to need. There are 13 pieces that you're going to need. Hey, 14 or 15, I don't know, just 13, 14 or 15 pieces. These are the pieces that you're gonna need. You need this Technic piece, so you can put something in the bottom and there. Two of these kind of pieces. One red bar, 4 round ball joint connector Technic. One Technic black pin, one 1x4 black axle, another one of those black Technic pins, a Technic axle and pin connector, so they are doubles, a gear, small gear, a ball joint with 2 Technic holes, and this body connector. So now let's get into it. First, you're going to need this body connector and this blue both connector and a gear thingy. Put 2 black pins right here. So that makes that. You need both of these pieces. One at the bottom and one at the top here. Be like that. Now just need. There are still loads of steps, but we are almost done. So it's easy. Put this pin like that. Black one at the back. Place in like this. God, it's hard. Harsh, man. Harsh. Oh, I'm sorry. You need 2 of these black Technic pins. Then place 1 black ball joint connectors. They're kind of hard to put. Yeah, that. Now let's place the head in. So, just like this. So remember, 14 subscriber special, so I'm not going to ruin this. So you got that, you got it, head. And let's make the legs. Oh, really almost done. Just need to put this axle. This. Then check the 2 last ball joints. And you have the Technic body. And he has a function like sports, like that. So yeah, thank you for watching. Click like and make sure to subscribe until 25. And I'll make that tutorial to build the Technic bodies. So please subscribe and please leave a comment down below if you want me to make more videos about how to make stuff, and I appreciate you guys. So please subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.